Hello, this is a sequel. I am trying to take apart the throttle cable. Cole's probably gonna take apart the carb first. I gotta pull the cable through. Right now, me and Cole, we got this thing on jack stands right now. Taking the wheels off this thing. Take your extension, my padre. That's kind of stiff, yeah. It just keeps flopping over.
What?
On diggity dig dogs. All right, we're gonna see if this is it. It's not it. Cole owes me $2. Oh, dude, it's one size bigger, bro. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. How many inches? Cole, too small. Nope. Fifth one we've tried, boys. Cole? 16? Yeah. All right, boys. We in motion right now, you feel me?
Motion, twin!
First wheel's off. Uh-oh, that's gonna hit the door. Right now I'm about to be taking apart Max. I'm gonna try taking apart the steering column. Get up on my trap house. I couldn't get that nut off. All right, yeah, that was nothing, it broke loose. Like a piece of butter, you know what I'm saying? Taking apart the carb, my knowledge. It's all right, he got it. All right, second wheel's off, boys. Now I'm about to do what I was just struggling with on the other side. Oh, it broke loose, bro. We're chilling. That was a lot of force. Max, you want to say hi to the camera? Max didn't want to say hi. Cole's back there for update. I'm taking apart the steering column, both of the springs, without having compression and having a spring go flying in my head. I think that's gonna be, looks like maybe a 1/2 inch. I got 2 sockets to my disposal. Max, what are you doing with the phone charger? Trying, oh, look at that, first try. There you go. All right, made it a little easier.
Left side, driver's side, we taking apart steering knuckle off, suspension spring off, thanks Christian. Eventually, I want to take apart the brakes because it's a brake drum. For people that, don't really know what they're looking at, brake systems, usually there's 2 systems. You either get brake pads or you get drums. This one is a drum. Highly unusual to find drum brakes on a go-kart. And this pole actually pulls a strip of curved metal and it goes around spindle on the back end of the wheel. And it literally chokes the wheel out. So it tightens around that little spindle and it slows down, creating friction. Hence the idea of a drum, because it literally pulls on the drum of the wheel, creating friction, slowing down said wheel. But we've actually made pretty good headway so far, and not a lot of things we've noticed we've had to replace. So that's always a good sign.
Cole's got his going. I just got mine off. Whew. Never like doing this part. The front end has been taken apart. The gasket. No. What did you do, Cole? You just dropped the bolt inside of the engine, so that's great.
Gas line's open. Idle is all the way up to bunny. I'm about to start.
It really wants to. It's getting to the point where it's like, let me breathe. It's like a backyard mechanic over here in this thing, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's my foot.
Oh. Max is sniffing the behind.
Yeah! Oh,
you're right.
It's like, I don't know what I'm doing.
Boom! See?
It's not gonna come off, dude. I thought we established that. My bad! Where we going today, boys? Where's my turbo at, bro? Squirt me some nitrous, dude. He shifted the motor to the right, and he got the chain, and moved it over in the brake thingy, and took it off the thing so that way it came off. Because apparently, when I went to go do it, I didn't realize that it was connected, and I was trying to figure it out. So yeah, that's why I couldn't get the wheel off, because it was still connected to the motor. Because I'm an idiot.
Kept saying, I haven't checked the spark plug yet. I'm not gonna check the spark plug. Take the spark plug out, and I finally go to start it and go, I'm gonna check the spark plug. And of course, it's the spark plug.
It's shot. So we do know the motor is in somewhat good condition, though. That's probably gonna wrap up this episode. Hopefully, next episode this does start. It's kind of upsetting, but we did end up making a lot of progress. We got the whole front end torn down, the whole steering column. We're gonna see you next episode. Hope you enjoyed. Smash the thumbs up.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me.